Hola. Bienvenidos a la clase de hoy.
Hi. Welcome to today's class. I'm Valentina, your AI-generated Spanish instructor. Today, we'll be discussing the 6 best ways to learn Spanish. Whether you're a beginner or already have some knowledge of the language, these tips will help you on your journey to becoming fluent. But before we get started, I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native speaker, in the description of this video you'll find the link to get free access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible.
Así que, comencemos. Número 1. Sumérgete en el idioma.
One of the most effective ways to learn Spanish is by immersing yourself in the language and culture. Immerse yourself? What does that mean? Well, it means surrounding yourself with Spanish-speaking environments and creating an atmosphere that encourages learning. Think about it as diving into a pool of Spanish language and culture. Remember, immersion is all about creating an atmosphere that encourages learning. Surround yourself with Spanish books, podcasts, and other resources. Label objects in your surroundings with their Spanish names. Listen to Spanish language podcasts while commuting or doing chores. The more you immerse yourself, the more comfortable and confident you'll become in using the language. Learning a language is a journey, and immersing yourself in Spanish is like taking an exciting adventure. Embrace the language and culture, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Número 2. Practica hablando.
Speaking Spanish with native speakers is crucial for improving your language skills. It's like having a front row seat to the real deal, where you can learn firsthand the nuances of pronunciation, accent, and cultural expressions. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the language and truly understand its essence. Now, you might be wondering, how can I find native speakers to practice with? Well, fear not. There are various ways to connect with native Spanish speakers eager to help you on your language learning journey. One option is to join language exchange groups in your community. These groups often organize meetups where language enthusiasts come together to practice different languages. It's a friendly and supportive environment where you can engage in conversations with native Spanish speakers and vice versa. Trust me, they are just as excited to learn your language as you are to learn theirs. Before moving on, make sure you click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, and then click the notifications bell.
Número 3. Toma lecciones.
While immersion and practice are essential, structured lessons provide a solid foundation for learning Spanish. Consider enrolling in a Spanish course or hiring a tutor who can guide you through the language's grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. A structured approach ensures you cover all the necessary aspects of the language systematically. It helps you build a strong base and understand the language's structure, making it easier to communicate effectively. Enrolling in a Spanish course or hiring a tutor can provide you with the guidance and structure you need to learn the language effectively. A good course or tutor will take you through the essential aspects of Spanish, such as grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation, in a systematic way. They'll break down complex concepts into manageable pieces, making it easier for you to grasp and apply them. Whether you choose an in-person course, online classes, private tutoring, or a self-study program such as Learning Spanish Like Crazy or Learn Spanish Like a MF, a structured approach to learning Spanish will give you a solid framework to build upon. It's like having a roadmap that guides you through the language's intricacies, helping you navigate your way to fluency.
Número 4. Lee en español.
Reading is an amazing way to broaden your vocabulary and enhance your understanding of the language. It's like opening a door to a whole new world of words and ideas. So, grab a book and let's dive into the wonderful realm of Spanish literature. Start with simple texts, such as children's books or articles specifically written for Spanish learners. These materials are designed to be accessible and engaging, making it easier for you to grasp the language. They provide a solid foundation on which you can build your reading skills. As you progress, challenge yourself with more advanced materials like novels, newspapers, and magazines. Don't be intimidated by the length or complexity of the content, view it as an exciting opportunity to expand your horizons. You'll encounter different sentence structures, idiomatic expressions, and cultural references, all of which contribute to your overall understanding of the language.
¿Qué esperas? Vamos a leer. Número 5. Disfruta películas o televisión en español.
Watch Spanish movies and TV shows with subtitles. This fun and engaging activity is not only entertaining but also beneficial for your language learning journey. It's like having a language lesson while enjoying your favorite movies and shows. So, grab your popcorn and get ready for a language learning movie night. Begin by watching Spanish content with subtitles in your native language. This allows you to follow the storyline and understand the dialogue more easily. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself by switching to Spanish subtitles. This technique helps you associate the words you hear with their written form, improving your listening and reading skills simultaneously.
Número 6. Practica constantemente.
Consistency is the secret ingredient to successful language learning, and Spanish is no exception. So, let's dive into the importance of regular practice and goal setting. Make it a habit to set aside dedicated study time each day, even if it's just 15 minutes. Consistency is key. Treat language learning like a daily exercise routine for your brain. Practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing regularly to strengthen your skills. Remember, the more you practice, the stronger you become. Setting achievable goals is another crucial aspect of your language learning journey. Break down your overall goal of fluency into smaller milestones. Celebrate each achievement along the way, whether it's mastering a new grammar concept or successfully having a conversation in Spanish. These accomplishments will provide motivation and a sense of accomplishment, keeping you inspired to continue. Learning Spanish is a journey that requires patience and dedication. Embrace the process and enjoy the beauty of the language and culture you're exploring. With these tips, immersing yourself, practicing with native speakers, taking structured lessons, reading in Spanish, watching movies and TV shows with subtitles, and practicing regularly while setting goals, you'll be well on your way to mastering Spanish. Before you go, I want to remind you that I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker, in the description of this video you will find the link to get access to Learning Spanish Like Crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. So click the link in the description and get your free copy of Learning Spanish Like Crazy.
Muy buena suerte. Y recuerda, la práctica hace al maestro. Hasta la próxima.